The NEBULA X1 projector with wireless satellite speaker is more than just a projector. It's a complete entertainment system designed to deliver cinema-quality experiences at home. Sleek, modern, and compact, it brings high-resolution visuals and immersive sound together in one portable package, making it perfect for movies, gaming, streaming, or even presentations. From the moment it's out of the box, the NEBULA X1 feels premium. The design is minimalist and elegant, with smooth edges and a matte finish that fits seamlessly into any living space. Setup is quick and straightforward. Connect to Wi-Fi, pair the wireless speaker, and it's ready to project. The user interface is intuitive, allowing for immediate access to streaming apps, screen mirroring, and device connections without any hassle. Visual performance is where this projector truly impresses. It delivers 4K resolution with vibrant colors, deep contrast, and sharp details that bring movies, shows, and games to life. Brightness levels are strong enough for moderately lit rooms, while darker settings allow the full cinematic effect to shine. The image is smooth and clear, making every scene feel immersive and engaging. Audio is another standout feature thanks to the included wireless satellite speaker. Unlike standard projector speakers, which often feel weak and flat, this system provides rich, full-bodied sound that fills the room. Dialogue remains crisp, sound effects hit with impact, and bass is well controlled, creating a realistic and engaging audio experience. The wireless setup ensures audio syncs perfectly with the visuals, eliminating delays and maintaining the immersive effect. The NEBULA X1 also comes packed with smart features. Its Android-based system allows access to popular apps like Netflix, YouTube, Prime Video, and Disney+, directly from the projector. It supports AirPlay, Chromecast, and Miracast for easy screen mirroring from phones, tablets, or laptops. Additional connectivity options include HDMI, USB, and Bluetooth, making it compatible with consoles, computers, and external storage. Automatic keystone correction and autofocus make setup effortless. The projector aligns and sharpens the image on its own, saving time and ensuring perfect visuals every time. Its cooling system operates quietly, even during extended viewing sessions, so fan noise never interrupts the experience. Battery life is reliable, and the device is energy efficient, supporting long sessions without compromise. Portability is another advantage. The NEBULA X1 can be moved from room to room, used outdoors for backyard movie nights, or even for work presentations. Its wireless satellite speaker keeps the setup clean and clutter-free, while still delivering high-quality, immersive sound. This projector is a complete home entertainment solution. It transforms any wall into a vibrant theater screen, combines high-quality visuals with rich audio, and offers smart features to streamline your entertainment experience. For those seeking a premium cinematic experience without the need for a bulky TV or complicated system, the NEBULA X1 offers an ideal balance of design, performance, and convenience. If you want to buy the NEBULA X1 projector with wireless satellite speaker, check the link in the description below.